it. Are you going to open your card, Rowan? Here. Oh, did you open up your card? Sit down. Let's open the gift. Open the card. Did you open it up? Did you open it? Open. Here, open.
Open.
Yeah, here, you do it. You can do it like this. You do it. Take it. Open it. Oh! Hey, let's see what your grandma sent you.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow, what is that? What is it? Aw, can you give it a hug? And maybe a kiss? Oh, that's so nice. Rawr. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you, Grandma? That's from your grandma. Can you...
I see the feet.
You see his feet. Can you say thank you?
Those are the feet.
Mm-hmm.
There's a toe.
Oh, his toes tickle, tickle. Where's his tail? Tail, where are you? Yeah, wiggle, wiggle. It's from your grandma. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Grandma. I love you. Oh. Wow. Cheese. Cheese. You look at Mommy and smile. Oh. Bye. Nose. Eye. Nose. Oh, wait. I think he does something. Oh. Oh, you put him down. Wow. Here, press his paw. Ah, isn't he cute?